Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to use some helpful tools so that you can easily remove background from your images. So just you can type remove.bg. This one is a perfect tool that you can easily remove any type of image background within a single click. So let me go here and select one of the image. And now here you can see background is removed. Now you can easily download this image, and if you want to download this image in HD, then you can upgrade. And next tool is in Pixio background remover, and you can easily remove image backgrounds for free using this tool. So you can go here and add your image file. And next tool is Cutout Pro Background Remover. So you can go here and remove the background from the image for free.